Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can get Uber One subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do so, first of all, go ahead, have your Uber app with yourself. Make sure you have installed the updated version and you're also signed in. Right after you have done that, you will be going to this account section at the bottom right corner. Here you will be able to find a manage membership option for you. Go ahead, tap on the manage membership option, where you will also be able to find the Uber One subscription available with various plans, monthly and yearly. You can tap on it and you can choose according what plan you would like to go for. Once you have chosen a plan, then you will have to go through a payment process. Go ahead, add in your card details and pay for it, and once you have got that, you are good to go. Your subscription has been added. And regarding removing as well, we have uploaded a video, so make sure to check it out if you need to know that. Otherwise, that's how easy it is to get an Uber One subscription on Uber. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.